Wonderful.
Outplayed. Alright, well. To the ban outrode you go, nigga. I hope those what, 7, 8 letters you typed were worth it, because now you're gone. Nigga, don't ask me about motherfucking Mortal Kombat, bitch ass nigga. The person that said I got body, ban that nigga out of my chat. Mods, clean up my motherfucking chat.
I don't know, that nigga crediting all my shit. He's crediting my Instagram, my Twitter, my YouTube, my merchandise, everything. Like, literally everything. I mean, what am I gonna say about that?
Like I said, if you don't agree that Snake takes work, mods, I want you to ban everybody in here that doesn't agree with me that Snake takes work. I want him gone. Somebody ban this Deontay nigga out of my room. My fucking name is Deontay after this. What are you talking about, you dumbass nigga? I'm not even playing for real. Get that ass banned, bitch. You think I'm playing this whack ass nigga for real? Why the fuck? Hey, dumbass nigga, why the fuck would you say good games when I clearly just said your bitch ass was lagging all over the place? What was good about the game with lag, you dumbass nigga? Are you a fucking dumbass or what? You gotta be stupid. How is the game good if we're lagging, you dumbass online nigga? Motherfuckers are reeds, dude. Ban the guy that said JV4. Mods, ban this nigga. What kind of name is Caltrops? What is that? What kind of fucking is that, you dumbass nigga?
Yo, this is what I used to just respond to every fucking thing in my streams.
Don't ever tell me good games. Mods, ban that dude to say good games. Thank you. Anybody saying good games in here, mods, ban them out of my chat. Thank you. You know what to do, mods. Clean up my chat on all GGs. Bounce them. Clean up my chat. Matter of fact, we're gonna make it easy. Ban everybody in here saying GG's, and then I'm gonna put it in spectator mode. How about you put your money? How about you put your mouth where your mouth is and slurp on this BBC, bitch ass nigga? I'm not betting you shit. You could pay to play me. As a matter of fact, get that ass banned.
That had to be a 2018. I was a 2019 stream.
Let's go, mods. Get that bitch ass nigga out of my chat too. Ask me about my personal life. Man. Hey mods, clean up the chat. Anybody putting LOLs or anything, ban them. Nigga, fuck an edge guard. Edge guard this dick in your mouth. You're banned too.
still playing niggas in Smash though. Oh man, y'all niggas really been rocking with me for a minute. Really. I don't like that channel though because it's a complete troll channel. Streams acting up. We dropped frames for a split second, but we're good. Just refresh your shit.
Hey mods, ban Luke out of my chat. I'm gonna show you how much work he did. Hey, mods, ban the Felix guy out of my chat. Matter of fact, we're gonna time him. Time him. Time Felix for 300 seconds.
Yo, how does this have 138K? This is so lazy. I think it's just because how my voice sounds in the mic. This is just nuts.
So keep hitting up to it over and over again. Why the fuck would you go green? For the same reason you about to get banned out of my chat. Get that ass banned, nigga. You are no longer a member of my shit. No more free jerseys for you. Spook.
Oh, that was when Prima said, why would he go green? Yeah, like this shit ain't even, is this shit even 1080? Like this ain't real 1080p 60 frames per second. Nah, it's not giving me views. It's not, man, because people be subbing to shit like this.
a hoe means. I never spread my legs for shit. All I do is pull out the pants and flop out the BBC so your mom could suck and slurp. Get that ass bent. You said damn dog good games? Well, let me tell you what GG's means to me. GG's means to me when your mom was topping and slobbing off my big, bulging, veiny BBC, and all I could say was, good God. When she was done with me, I was crying. It was so goddamn good. The top was so good. Get that ass bent.
Yo, I swear I can't make that noise twice. I can't make that noise twice. And I break this chair too. I gotta watch it one more time. Yo, I could literally watch. We could literally watch this roast in HD right now. Keep seasoning my meat. Keep seasoning, nigga. Keep seasoning my meat. Back up.
All I could say was good. Big. Excuse me. You said damn ass been. You said damn dog good games? Well, let me tell you what GG's means to me. GG's means to me when your mom was topping and slobbing off my big, bulging, veiny BBC, and all I could say was, good God. When she was done with me, I was crying. It was so goddamn good. The top was so good. Get that ass bent.
Shit. I mean, let me go ahead, yeah. I think I'm gonna have to flag this joint. I mean, 138,000. That means y'all niggas don't support my actual channel. You know, this is kind of. I know you niggas love it, but yeah, I mean, it just, it's stealing at the end of the day. You know, at the end of the day, it's stealing. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's not fair to me. This ain't fair to me as a content creator, as an entertainer. This isn't fair to me for a nigga to steal my shit and get 138,000 views off stealing. I don't like this. Is why I don't research myself. I don't like this shit. It gives me reminiscence of when I said this shit, but I don't like it. I'm giving you guys compilations recently. You don't have 138,000 views. That's for sure. But this is what niggas do, man. They watch my streams for ages and then come out with a video like this and get 100,000 views off stealing from me. Like, I don't like this at all. Like, while the shit is slightly funny because it's me, but I don't like the idea of niggas stealing my shit. I really don't. Look at this. I don't know, it look like he hiding the videos and shit right now. 138K, 16K, 58K, 82K, 66K. Like, my nigga, that's not cool. No permission was granted, nothing. It's just literally you're just stealing my likeliness. This is not free advertisement, and it's not a weak mindset, because this is a business for me. But like I said, 2021 videos like this won't exist no more. That's all I gotta say. The time of reckoning is coming. That's all I gotta say. Stay tuned. Yeah, he probably hiding the videos, but as soon as they pop back up, somebody gonna send them to me. I gotta remove them. Like, that ain't cool. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't give nobody permission to take my shit. I really don't. I don't like this at all. It's not supporting me, man. It's stealing my likeliness. It's robbing me. Yeah, there's one with 800,000 views. Look at this shit. Look at, like, let's just type my shit in real quick. You know, I did it the other day just to see what was in here. So some random ass nigga, you know, stealing my shit, of course. I guess he put, I don't know, man. It's just too much shit to pop up when you try to look for me. Like, you know, 11K 5 days ago, stealing my shit. I'm gonna take that video down, by the way. 800, this is gonna get 800,000 views from 2 years ago. Low Tier God classic salt clips. I'm gonna take that video down too. A lot of these videos I have in my list already to remove. Like, most of the shit is slander. You know, you look at the description, they slandering, all that type of shit. Blah, blah, blah. Like, look how many niggas try to do this shit. Like, this is what niggas do. A million different videos. Just stealing my shit. 23K from 2 weeks ago. I already have a lot of these videos on my list to flag. I already have them documented and ready to go. I can't even upload my own shit. 118K from this nigga stealing from me.
Good morning.
Niggas still trying to figure out a way to steal from me. Stealing. I'm gonna remove all this shit. Stealing. Nigga can't get no views from doing his own shit. Stealing. I don't know who this is. What is this?
For what LTG? I mean, yes, LTG has done deplorable things by my standards. They're deplorable. Yes, talking about disabled people, as people would consider me disabled because of my medical condition.
Y'all niggas still on that fake disabled shit? Oh, let me click out of that, man. Here's like, look at all this shit. Like, come on, man. This nigga be robbing the fuck out of me, too. I'm gonna kill this nigga's channel, by the way. This nigga just literally steals my face, puts thumbnails on it. 15K, 14K, 14K, 19K, 10K, 6.5K, 12K, 12K, 15, 12, 9, 12, 10. Like, niggas just be stealing my whole likeliness. Like, you type in Low Tier God and it's everybody stealing from me. 204K views from two years ago. Stealing my video right here. Nigga, what other person on YouTube is getting stolen from on this magnitude? Somebody tell me. What other nigga on YouTube is getting stolen from on this magnitude? Nah, this isn't a reaction. I'm just letting you niggas know. Like, I get stolen from crazy. I could understand if I had like crazy amounts of subs and mega famous, but this is just nuts. nigga. I'm sorry, but Berleezy does not get stolen from like me. There's no nigga like me, period, that gets stolen from on YouTube. I'm the only nigga on YouTube that gets stolen from like this. It's cool. Like I said, 2021, all these niggas are gone. Stay tuned. No, I'm sorry, but Dr. Disrespect don't even get stolen from like that. It's just me. They don't care because they actually have a real base on a crazy level that supports them. So why would you care? I'm not making a money deal with shit. Stay tuned. I'm not going to tell you guys what I'm doing, what's going on, but stay tuned. All right, I'm done with this. I just hate when niggas steal from me, dude. Like, I've worked hard to get to the level the small level that I'm even at, and niggas just record and steal from me every fucking day. That shit is fucking annoying, man. You didn't do none of the work, put in none of the time, you're not me, yet you're stealing from me. Crazy, man. The more I watch it, the less funny it is, because it's stealing. It's stealing because I didn't give her permission, dumbass nigga. The fuck are you talking about? Why would I be jealous of a nigga with 3K subs, you fucking moron? You not get the context, you fucking dumbass retard? I'm telling you, man, these niggas is stupid. They try to act like it's fair use. Nigga, it ain't fair use. I never gave you fucking permission to use my shit. You're not me. Niggas borrow my, like I said, niggas borrow my face. Borrow my voice. Borrow my whole shit trying to build channels off me. Like, that shit is disgusting, man. It really is for a nigga that really, like, this is me. Like, I make money off myself. Like, I'm a self-made motherfucker that came from nothing. And the fact that niggas just steal from me every day is disgusting. But like I said, 2021, all your niggas are gone. Yeah, it's not fair use. Sorry, but slander is not fair use. Trying to create channels out of my shit is not fair use. You can't steal from me and just claim fair use. But I got it, though. Like I said, stay tuned. 2021 is reckoning. That's what I'm saying. Like, they be trying to claim, like, you should see that you should see what these niggas do too. Like, some of the videos I take down, they try to counterclaim it and they'll put like a fake ass address and all types of shit. But it's cool. 2021, that shit's coming to a fucking end. I promise you that. Watch. And you won't be able to do anything to bring the videos back after there is no counterclaiming on anything about what's gonna happen. Stay tuned. Man, I don't even want to do the BBW shit no more. Even putting my socials ain't good enough. It's still stealing. Nah, Major Start is a fucking clown. I told this nigga years ago, 2 years ago, I told him, I said, stop uploading me, dude. Stop trying to use me. Stop using my face to boost your garbage ass Street Fighter channel. It says, yes, I'm sorry, my friend. You're just exciting person, blah, blah, blah. I said, I don't give a fuck about any of that. Dude stops doing it, starts doing it again. I see a random video with a crazy amounts of K with my face on a gill. All right. That's how I know I'm just meant to be extremely wealthy and rich. When? We'll see. But I just know it's meant to be. It's meant for me to have great things and all that type of shit. Because honestly, niggas are way fascinated. But like I said, 2021 it ends. As soon as y'all niggas pop some shit up about me, that shit coming right down and you can't pull it back up. I know. I already know about that channel, and I'm gonna take. All right, like I said, I have a list of videos I'm removing this week. Stay tuned. Come on, you got to be a fucking moron to think any of those channels are mine. Are you retarded? How could you click on those channels and see bootleg ass content and think that it's me? Don't be a fucking dumbass. Look at the sub count. It's so bad that a nigga that never gets any views on his channel, some regular black monkey, randomly played me in a Street Fighter 5, right? 44 views a video. Throws my shit in there, throws my hashtag, throws my face, gets his first 1,000 views, which is nothing, but the fact that you could just borrow my whole existence, yeah. I'm sorry, but troll videos don't resort into more traction for my channel at all. You would know that if you know how YouTube worked. But yeah, I got something in store. You guys want to play video games? We'll just do that. I'm not doing the BBW video today. We'll see about it tomorrow. Let's see, did we usher in it? Yeah, we did. Doesn't matter what they repeat. I'll never get tired of removing niggas shit off YouTube about me. I'm never just gonna be like, oh, fuck it, I'm gonna just let niggas upload. It's just so much shit. But like I said, what I got planned, it'll be a lot easier, a lot better, and it'll stick. So stay tuned. I'm gonna warm up with some Tetris. Nah, it's not something I sit here and worry about.